It's the version of Porsche's updated for 2017 and newly turbo-fied entry-level sports car with a fixed roof or 350 HP engine and a 6-speed manual transmission. Along with its 718 Boxster convertible sibling, the 718 Cayman Coupe offers one of the purest driving experiences available in any sports car, including within Porsche's own stable. As part of a Linux-wide redo, the 17 Cayman S received quicker steering from the 911 Turbo, firmer suspension tuning, bigger brakes from the 911 Carrera, and fresh sheet metal nearly everywhere, as well as a turbocharged 2.5 litre flat 4 in place of the prior car's naturally aspirated 3.4 litre flat 6. Output increased by 25 horsepower and 37 lb-ft of torque, the latter available, usefully, some 2600 rpm lower on the tachometer. The horsepower peak is lower too, by 900 rpm, but the maximum engine speed dropped by 300 rpm to 7500. The Sapphire Blue Cayman S we drove for this review started at $67,350 before roughly $15,000 in options. Why we tested it, and how it performed. We've already tested the latest manual and automatic non-S Caymans as well as the automatic equipped S, and the circle demanded completion. Given the launch control function and lightning fast shifts of Porsche's dual clutch PDK transmission, it's perhaps no surprise that the quickest Caymans are the automatics, with the base version requiring 3.9 seconds to get to 60 miles per hour and the S just 3.6. The manual equipped S tested here gets to 0.2 second quicker than the 300 HP stick shifted base car, 4.1 versus 4.3. So, yeah, none of these cars are slow.